So guys, you're welcome once more to NDP's channel. Your tutor Mr. Buki. If you're new to this channel, you're highly and highly welcome. So today we have a problem on the board on what substitution. The equation says if n is equals to what p over 2, and in bracket we have t1 minus t2 all divided by what t1. The equation says we should find p when our n is 12, and when our t1 is 27, and when our t2 is 24. All we need to do is we just need to substitute into this expression. So my n is 12, so I have that as 12, which is equal to, remember the equation says we are going to find p, so I have p over 2 then. Now in bracket, t1 is what, 27, minus what, our t2 is 24, so we are just going to impute and substitute. So t1 again is what, 27. Alright, so from this, let's see what we are going to get. Okay, from this, I can multiply here by 2. I can multiply here by 2 to be able to remove this. Okay. So now that we remove this, 2 times 12 is going to give us what? 24. I have p, okay, in bracket. 27 minus 24 is going to give us what? 3 divided by what? 27. Okay. Alright, so from this, we can now simply solve for that. Okay. So 3 can cancel out itself, and 3 into what? 27 is 9. Alright, so I have 24 is equals to what? P times 1 is P, divided by what? We have 9. So how do we solve for P? Because the question says we should find P. It means I'm going to multiply this side by 9 over 1, and I'm also going to multiply this side by 9. So these can cancel out this, so we are left with P on this side, and this side we are left with what? 9 times what? 24. So let's see what 9 times 24 is going to give us. So 9 times 4, okay, is 36. So I have 6. Okay, we have 3 left. So 9 times 2, no, is going to give us 18. So if we add this 1, 2, so we have 21. So the value of P when n is 12, t1 is 27, and t2 is 24 is 250. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. If you like the button, do well to subscribe to this channel and share this link, the link for this channel, to somebody that needs to improve his aspect of math. I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright, bye.